And you know that one aunt that brings that nasty potato salad gonna be all up in your face trying to touch your hair? Tell her to get back. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rashawn. Today's video is brought to you by Outre. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. Now before we get into this easy breezy beginner friendly install, make sure if you're new to the channel you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your love.
Okay, did somebody press the easy button? Okay, listen, this was she look like I said, this unit comes to us from Outre. It is a part of their SleekLay series. This is the unit Brizella, however you want to say it. I got her in the color number 2, and she does retail for about that $40 to $45 price point, depending on where you buy her from, and depending on the specialty color that you choose if you decide to get one. This unit does come with HD lace from ear to ear, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. This unit is fitting down more big head associated than big head friendly. So for my 23 gang and above, you may want to put this joint behind your hairline or not put it all the way down in the back to make sure that you have enough room in this cap to wear this joint all day, okay? I do have on my wig grip because y'all know I don't like using my combs on the side. However, I did slam them joints up under my wig grip just to make sure they were going to stay in place to keep my wig in place so we didn't have any slippage throughout the day, okay? Now this high-tex fiber unit does come with some baby hairs and it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I did use some heat up here around the top just because I do have a little plait right here in the middle of my head and I wanted to make sure this is going to be as flat as possible. But if you don't know, with the SleekLay series, it says it in the name, it lays sleekly. Sleekly is not a word. But it lays real flat around your parting space, so no heat should be necessary for your put down of this unit. As you saw on my put down, I did cut a V right here in my parting space just to make sure she was going to lay down flat to me, and the rest of it is pretty much history. Get a paddle brush, brush your unit through, fix your little curls, and you're pretty much out the door. I'm kind of here for how I did that hairline. I ain't gonna hold you. Okay, hey Shannon. The unit is not yucky, but it does have some texture to it, so it's not silky. It's a great in-between texture. I use a little bit of hairspray to get my flyaways together, but nothing crazy. I didn't have no shedding or tangling with my unit. This joint is pretty much ready to go out the pack. Not a lot of work is needed. If you are a beginner friendly wig bae, then you can definitely rock this joint for yourself and give the looks. You hear me? Like, listen. Now initially I did think it was a little bit thin in the back just because of how I was brushing it out, but then I realized because of the plaits that I have in my hair, I'm going to feel that. So I think the density all around the unit is pretty much even all the way through. I'm not feeling or seeing any gaps in my unit, so I'm here for that. I do feel like they are putting their foot in this SleekLay series and giving us some looks, y'all, and I am here for it. I have to do no hairspray, no blow drying. It gives me the lift, the layers, and the looks. I'm here for it. Okay, gives me everything that I want in a wig. I can plop this joint on my head and give the human hair look with the synthetic price. Listen, woo, cha-ching, get the looks. The curls on this unit are nice and bouncy. They actually listen to my brush, okay? Because I know sometimes when you brush your curls and they not right, they be going everywhere. These listen, if I brush them back, guess what? They go to the back. She is sitting real nice, okay? Thanksgiving is here. And you know that one aunt that brings that nasty potato salad gonna be all up in your face trying to touch your hair? Tell her to get back, okay? Tell her to stop worrying about your bundles and worry about her friend's name that she brought this year. Okay, let her worry about that because we got this. Now, this unit is selling fast. I mean, because you know, look at me. Go ahead and hop on this joint right now. Go ahead and find out where you can get it. Shop your favorite sites and definitely watch out for those restocks that most likely will be coming real soon. Ding, ding, hit them bells. Y'all, she look good. She looks good. And guess what? So do I. Okay, but that is all I got for you guys today. Short, sweet, and to the point, all right? Shout out one more time to Outre for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put a direct link down below so if you guys want to shop this unit, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.